sinuses feel like a mattress, overstuffed.
So what do you take, Mr. Grayson?
Sometimes aspirin, sometimes capsules.
Would you believe Dristan relieves as many sinus cold miseries as aspirin and time capsules put together?
What's with the big box?
Pardon me, could you tell me what brand pantyhose you're wearing?
Neat gets Carol's legs smoother.
Neat gets Debbie's legs smoother.
Neat gets Joyce's legs smoother.
Smoother than before.
Patty's legs feel smoother with Neat. I volunteer for more tests.
So what's one thing you'd like to express?
That I received flowers.
Okay, how did that make you feel?
Very good.
And that's what we'd want you to start with. I feel very good getting those flowers. Why don't you just do that and say that?
I feel very good getting those flowers.
Yeah, just do it. Just say that again.
I feel very good receiving those flowers.
And how does that make you feel, just that tiny little bit?
Well, elated.
Yeah.
Cindy, sometimes you have to listen to your own inner voices and let them be your guide.
You're right. I realize that now.
Monday we'll have fashions by James Riva, actress Jean Stapleton, and a look at life after death.
A man who started out with a mere handful of Ramalama ding-dongs.
Now the children shout and sing, and everyone loves ding-a-ling.
And more? I'm sorry I sat on your face.
That's all right, Julius. I do it all the time.
Hey, Benny, how'd you like me to shake up your mouth?
Here? Hi, this is my kitchen and I really love it. It even has enough space to do my exercises.
Once again, it's my pleasure to introduce my 6-year-old daughter, Pierre, which she will perform the wedding of the painted doll. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
My daddy, Stuart Gimbals, is having the biggest assistant Father's Day sale ever.
My guys don't work on commission, so it doesn't cost me to be nice.
Here's Jim Coyne, a nice guy in a tough business.
If you want to buy audio equipment, come to Sound Chamber. We'll show you why. If you want to buy techniques, we sell it to you, no hype. That's why my customers always feel fantastic.
Jim Coyne, Sound Chambers.
In another city, a gallery broker found a good house for a family near a school with a good wrestling coach. Now that's service.
Hello!
Hello!
Hello! Hello! Hello! Hello!
Irwin Shaw, John Updike, and the next page have a woman with breasts the size of Ethiopia staring at you. That, to me, is my concept of a literary magazine.
Lovely ladies with big personalities.
Starsky and Hutch take a swingers haven by storm in a special 2-hour premiere.
Welcome to Playboy Island. I'm your doorman.
It's a vacation in paradise.
The pleasures of Hefner's Paradise are explored by Peter Lawford and Bill Cosby.
Well, here we are again, sports fans. This is this man's place for swimming.
Hey, Cos, how do you turn on the jacuzzi?
Why, by showing him a female jacuzzi.
Come on, Terry, give it back.
Leave me alone. This machine's hot,
A man who has given almost as much pleasure to the American teenager as the back seat of a 56 Chevy.
And that's why each time I see a little girl of 5 or 6 or 7, I can't resist the joyous urge to smile and say, thank heaven for little girls. For little girls get bigger every day. Thank heaven for little girls. They grow up.
I'm an elf. Work, 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 work. I'm an elf. Work, 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 work. I'm an elf. Work, 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 work. I'm an elf. Work, 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 work. I'm an elf.